Friends, good morning. Today I have decided to discuss with you all some ideas that is haunting my mind since long. As you all know, anthropology has been the most humanitarian science recognized by people of the world. Therefore, contributing to the global peace, anthropology also has some responsibility to perform. And I propose that thinking social engineering through sacred complexes studies. Friends, currently, while Indian politics is dominated by the propaganda of caste census to create a new divide on the name of social process by politicians, the sacred specialists of a place with their distinctive style of life transmit certain elements of great tradition to the rural population of India and the globe. These sacred specialists in different societies and communities may help in revitalizing social solidarity in India and world. On the other side of the hill, religion has been in constant use by clerics to generate communal religious tensions globally. We have witnessed several communal tensions and riots in our country since 1832. After 1947, almost in every 2 or 3 alternative years, these riots occur and testify the involvement of religious sentiment of the people. Friends, I completed my doctor's in Anthropology from Ranchi University in 1984, based on 1 year of fieldwork at Ayodhya in 1973 and 79 in Uttar Pradesh, India, on the subject The Ascetics and Indian Civilization, a study of Vaishnavites of Ayodhya. This study was later published as a book entitled The Sadhus and Indian Civilization in 1998. In the foreword of this book, Professor Gregory G. Rake, HOD of Anthropology from Appalachian State University of USA, wrote the foreword. He says, the study of religion is a critical element of the study of humankind. No other society has incited human passions as much as religion. Clearly, the ability of religion to produce the best and the worst in the human spirit makes it an essential arena for the anthropological understanding of the nature of human culture. Professor Vijay Sharma, in this study of the ascetic tradition in Indian culture, has added to our knowledge of both religions in a particular historical cultural context and in general. While much has been written about this tradition from an ideal perspective using textual sources, very little has been researched on the actual level of practice through the fieldwork with practitioners of that tradition. By examining the ascetic life in the context of the important locality of Ayodhya and the actual practice and organization of ascetic mutts, Professor Sharma exemplifies the strength that anthropology has always brought to the study of any aspect of human culture. By focusing on a specific context, ascetic organization in Ayodhya, he is able to weave together the complex tapestry of asceticism on the micro level and thus provide concrete substance to our understanding of religious ascetics in the broader macro level of Indian culture. And by conducting fieldwork, Professor Sharma has provided us with a picture of actual practice of asceticism rather than just the ideal picture painted by purely textual analysis. While no single study can provide a complete exploration of the phenomena of religion, a study such as this, one by Professor Sharma, shed rays of light on this critical dimension of the human experience. So, friends, while doing this study, conducting this study under the guidance of Professor Upadhyay and Professor L.P. Vidyarthi, I used the concept developed by Professor Vidyarthi. Vidyarthi's landmark anthropological concept of sacred complex was the guiding theory for my study as presented before you through Professor Rex forward. Now, Professor Vidyarthi developed two very vital concepts. Number one, sacred complex, and number two, nature man spirit complex, as the Indian theoretical base for studying Indian civilization that attracted the attention of several scholars to work on these concepts. This provided a strong foundation for the Ranchi School of Anthropology. Ranchi became famous as the anthropological seat of learning when Professor L.P. Vidyarthi was elected as President of International Union of Anthropological and Anthropological Sciences in 1973, and when he hosted the first ICAES 1978 in India in history under his presidency. The concept of little and great tradition was defined by Robert Reid